Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hoover Local and Long Distance Movers near me. We are a committed freight company that can help you make your move seamless. We are an established company with decades of experience in local and interstate moves to or from Hoover, Alabama. Whether you're planning a long-distance move or a move across U.S. states, you should deploy the services of a moving company. Getting a reputable freight company such as 3 Movers lifts the weight off your shoulders. Also, it's good to make plans in advance before your long-distance move to or from Hoover, Alabama. Making plans ahead gives you time to sort out several other aspects of your move, such as finding a new house or office in the town or city you are moving to. The standard local moving distance for most companies is set at 50 miles or under 50 miles. Due to the short distance, such a move may seem easy on the eye, leading you to believe you can plan and execute the move independently. But who will do all the heavy lifting? Who will carry all your items on the many flights of stairs? Who will provide the trucks or vans to carry all your items? When planning a move, whether to or from Hoover, Alabama, of course, you need to involve a moving company in this painstaking process. You need to evaluate your options and go for an affordable moving partner such as 3 Movers. Some moving companies are known to have hidden moving costs or even make delays during the moving process so that you pay more for man hours. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.